How then their English did they hard self. It's too hard. Just in case you missed last week's vlog, here's what happened. It was a maintenance vlog. I did my hair, got my lashes done, fixed my nails, got my makeup, and I filmed the Get Ready With Me, which I'm going to link in the description box. I also did a little bit of cooking and so many beautiful things. So make sure you catch up with that vlog and let's see what's happening this week.
Yeah, I might be playing games, but I've been hurt before. I don't wanna get my heart broken, no, I don't wanna love no more.
Welcome to the brighter side of life. Welcome to the channel where healthy perfection is a myth work in progress. So you guys, I did so much yesterday. If you haven't checked out the vlog, please make sure you do because so much was done. So I was not able to do my laundry, go to the supermarket, which is one of the things I wanted to get done. So I'm headed out now. Okay, the first thing I'm going to actually do is to rebuild my costume, the creative costume I used for Feast of Zikel. I want to send it back to the person I hired it from, and from there I'm going to go to the laundromat, drop off my dress, start to wash them, and then give it like 30 minutes, then head to the supermarket to get some of the items I need for myself. I haven't like done a proper shopping for myself in a long time, so I'm going to be doing all of that today. I started early, you guys, so this is currently 9, this is 9, I think 9:48. So I started early today, so I'll be able to finish on time. Yesterday, you guys, I finished by 11 with the Get Ready With Me. If you haven't seen the video, check it out. The girl filmed her very first Get Ready With Me. I'm excited about that. I know there were like some mistakes and everything, but what better way to improve than starting? So yeah, that's what I did. And I just want to show you guys what I'm putting on. Why do I look skinny? You guys, I'm not skinny, I promise. The last thing I ever want to be right now is skinny. I was carrying this bag. A friend gifted me a long time ago. Let me see if you guys can see properly. Sorry. Okay, so this is what I'm putting on for today, errand. Nothing serious, nothing out of the ordinary, and I'm wearing my pink slippers. I don't know the brand name, I forgot it. So I'm going to talk to you guys once I get to GIG. Let me get, first thing first, I need to send that. She has already called me this early morning like, oh wait, please, you have to send this stuff because I think she wants to use it for something. So I'm just going to hurriedly go send it to her, and then we'll continue our day from there. So let's go. Maybe you can carry this one, and I'll carry the basket. Oh, you guys, the basket is really, really heavy. It's very heavy.
Hey, you.
Answer, you leave them.
I saw you from the distance.
Put my shoe, I am more. She said, put them in your heels. I am more. Good morning to you. The boat guy is already here. You carried my phone back? Thank God. You even forgot here with my phone. What a life. I need to put this one at the back. Good morning. Good morning. Please, can I have the phone? Yes. I won't even forget because this is the first thing I'm dropping off now. So how will I forget? That's a lot of load.
So wait, can you even?
You guys, thank God this. Do you know, guys? I thought I was going to have to go to Agile to review this item. So apparently, I don't have to go to Agile. There's actually like a branch GID has in VI here, which is super nice. I was even considering the one in Lekki phase 1, but I wasn't seeing it on the map, so I was just guessing, oh, it's only Aja I have to go to. Thank God I don't have to go to all the way to Aja. No wonder the ride was 1,000 something. I was wondering why it was 1,000 something. I was like, okay. Honestly, because in-driver was telling me 3,000, so I was like, why is it 1,000 something? So let me start looking for, I don't know the exact address where that laundromat is, so I guess I will just have to, let me Google it. Okay, do you know any laundromats where you can wash your dress? Okay. Let me see if there's anyone in the one you enter and wash it by yourself.
By yourself?
Yes. VI. Let me see if there's anyone in VI. I know that one YouTuber talked about. Okay, it's only in Lekki phase 1. Magic Wash Laundry.
They open the place, you can come and wash it by yourself.
Yes.
So how do they make their own money?
You pay them now.
And what's the point? Or do they have a special machine or chemical?
Yeah, that machine is there. Their machines just machines. Once you come in, like a basket now, they'll charge you per basket. So this basket, I think they weigh it, and then they will not charge maybe the weight and then charge you maybe 2,000 or 2,500. Yes, they will provide you with soap and you wash it yourself. So, but I think there are people there as well. If you want them to wash it for you, that's extra money. I mean, if you can just wash it yourself, why not? You guys, the one I'm seeing is saying Lekki County Home. Lekki County Home is far now. How will I want to go all the way to Lekki County Home? Let me ask. I know that Emma mentioned one in her video.
To go to this address.
No, not the same address. When it was telling me 3,000 to go to the Aja branch, so I was thinking I have to go to Aja. So when I was like, it's so expensive, let me try Uber, and I put it was 1,000 something. I just clicked on it. I was like, okay, it's actually cheaper. Let me just do yeah, obviously, but I felt like the difference was way too much. I didn't even think about it. Thinking about it now, it makes sense. Yeah, the difference is much. Thinking about it now. Okay, that's how I was snapping. Say hi.
Hi.
So where's the entrance? I want to review something. This way. Thank you.
I'm being honest. Yeah, it's true. You're all I want.
As you know, I'm supposed to go to the laundromat. So I forgot to format my memory card because it was full. So I had to go back inside to copy out the little content I had made and then format it. So we're back now. We're heading to the laundromat now. Okay, did I waste time?
They
So I have to register. Alright, what do I have
There you are, no more than a dream. Or am I wrong?
So you guys, I just got to the laundromat now. The name is actually EZ Wash Laundromat. So they have drop off point where you can just come drop it off and then maybe come back in 2 hours for the dresses, somebody else will wash it for you, or you can just they have an app so you can just order for it to be delivered to your house. And they just made me download the app and register. So apparently I was wrong. The location here, I mean the branch here, is not where I can wash and all of that. So which listen, when he told me this was not the place, I'm like, bruh, I'm even getting lazy right now. Let me just drop it off. So in 2 hours I will come back. So what I want to go do now is go to the supermarket, buy those things I was supposed to get. When I'm done, if it's not 2 hours yet, Siri, set timer for 1 hour 30 minutes.
1 hour and 30 minutes, counting down.
Okay, so once I'm done shopping and it's not 1 hour 30 minutes yet, I'll just go ahead and paint my nails, my toenails. They look really, really not dirty. I might even just do my pedicure. Is it manicure or pedicure? I might just do one of those, because I've not done that in a long, long time. But anywho, let me book my ride. You guys, let me tell you what happened. So when I was coming down from the vehicle, I don't know if you guys must have seen the clip. When I was coming down from the vehicle, I actually told the Uber man that he should wait because I wanted to like create a clip of me coming down from the vehicle. Do you know this man have been there since I went in to register and do all of that? This man was still there. Only for him to come in like, sister, I'm going, are you not done? I'm like, okay, bruh. Anyways, I wanted to even compensate him, even though I already did that, but he has gone. God, I'm hungry. This is 10:46. You guys, I'm achieving everything on time. Can your faith ever? No. I don't want to hear anybody saying yes in the comment section. Your faith could never. So, EZ Wash. They should have they should be on the map now. They even have one in the US. Guys, my hands are killing me. Let me sit down, please. I did not kill anybody. I think this is their security man's chair. Let me sit down here, beg. My tummy, What kind of hunger strikes a young girl by this time? Wait, is there any supermarket close to this place? I need to think about it. If there's a supermarket. But I know that there's a supermarket not far from this place. Well done. No, I'm sorry. I did not. I was trying to create my content. Sorry, I did not. No verse. That man, I didn't even. No verse. No verse. Yeah, it's fine. Sorry, Jerry. No verse. Oh yeah, now. So you guys, I just remembered that there's this supermarket I actually favorited on Google Map. So I'm going back to make reference to it. The name is One Source Mart. It's in VI here, so I'm just going to use that one since it's close. It's like 7 minutes away from here, so I'll just use that one. I beg. I never have the energy. Once I'm done shopping, I'll go and do my toilet. Do you think I should go and do my leg first before I go and do that shopping? By the time I'm done with my leg, I'll be done from. No, to carry this load will be a lot. So let me just go and do my leg. Let me just go ahead. So my brother is saying. So my brother said that one of my uncles viewed his status, was it yesterday? And I was like, one of my uncles also as well called me to know how I was doing. I'm like, okay, I'm doing fine. So he was like that. Okay, and I told him that almost like this because my WhatsApp, I turned off my WhatsApp view status. So even if you view me, you don't view me because I used to have like 300 views on WhatsApp. So and sometimes I'll come and be checking who viewed me. I'll come and be conscious of what I post, my dear. At this point, I turned it off. Like I don't care who views me and who doesn't view me. To be honest, I don't care about all those things. For me, it's eye service, and that's not what I'm all about. So if you view me, you don't view me. It's not my business. It's like 1 hour, a few minutes. I want to see if it's done. If it's not done, my dear, I'll just be going home because I'm tired. I'm tired. Extremely tired. Please tell me I'm done. How long will it take? 7 minutes. Okay, I can wait. Hope I'm listening then. I'm screaming. Can you check again? Can you check again? I just feel like this doesn't even wash well because I think it did it. So you guys here. Okay, let me put it from this side.
We could be more. If I'm being honest.
Who's making that sound? Can you guys hear that awful sound? I think it's their pumping machine or something, but the sound is loud, yo. You guys, I just got back from the market. Hold on. Back from the market. No, we didn't just say market. From the supermarket. So I got the dress already. You guys have already seen that. The laundry did not take. It took 1 hour 30 minutes because when I got there, it was just 4 minutes to the alarm I set initially. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some of the things I bought. I was not able to show you, which I was still end up showing you in because I'm going to film. I want to film what I spend in a week in Lagos, and probably maybe one day I'll film what I spend in a day because some days you can spend extremely extravagant. So I got this mirror. You guys saw how I was struggling with the first get ready with me. I did. I was honestly just struggling and I couldn't. So here are the things I got. Everything cost me. This one is 24,000. I want you guys to see properly. This one is 24, I believe, and then this one is 14,000. So here, I'm going to put it together. It's dirty. So I got this foundation. Say this name. The name is Cover Girl. So let me show you. I've not tried it, but I'm going to try it out in the Get Ready With Me. I'm going to film. The next one I'm going to film, I'm going to try it on. So this is what it looks like, and I was told that it has a moisturizer, it has vitamin C. So that way, and you know my moisturizer is finished, honestly. So if I can get three in one, why not try it out? And I got myself mascara. Whoa, what's this? Eye primer. I'm very confused. What am I doing with an eye primer? No wonder my bill was this much. Like, why would these girls do that? Like, why would they do that? I did not add an eye primer. It's never a waste shot, but I did not add it. You guys know how obsessed I am with perfume. I got myself something I can put in my bag. A little something. A little something. Smells good. See, if you hug me and you don't eat me up, I don't know what you're doing because your girl smells good. So I also got this. I want to use it for when I want to create content, and some other stuff. And this, oh god, long overdue. I want to clean my makeup products. Long overdue, you guys. When I see something is long overdue, just take it from me. Long overdue. And come in, let me put it. Extension. You see the way I was showing you my lights yesterday. It's not gonna happen today. Extension. Cotton board. Needed. Absolutely needed. So I'm just kissing my face. Colgate. And a tooth pick. Definitely needed. Needed more of it. Aha! This. So this one is for ponytail. For some weird reason, what's that? For some weird reason, my body is doing me as if I'm on makeup. If I try to touch my face, it just acts as if I'm on makeup. So if I want to do ponytail, I'll use this for the ponytail. So I'm going to put it together to where I keep my makeup stuff. So that way I don't misplace it. So these things are going upstairs. Are going to the room. Mouthwash. You guys saw earlier. And then I got two wipes. One for my makeup box and one for them. And then I got this. Very needed. And then I got bread. I got 2 sardine bread. Okay. I don't know why I got this bread. I'm so hungry. Hunger. Oh my god. God, you guys. I forgot I turned off this freezer. Oh, thank God that thing is frozen. Thank God. So I got 2 of this Nutri Milk. I tend to drink this one now, so. And then I got this Ribena. This one you can have it for like a long time. Like you can just mix it. You keep it in your freezer and you keep mixing it, and you'll be good. And then, if you know me, you know how much I love mayonnaise. So I got this. So you guys, that's about all I got for today. So you guys, that's about it. I think this is the end of this vlog. So I'm just going to sit down now and edit some content and try to see if I can put together the Get Ready With Me I film, because I don't really like it like that. You know how I am, but your girl is getting all the perfection in her head and I'm going to put the content up. Please, if you watch the content, make sure to let me know what you think and what I can improve in the content. I love you guys so much. This is the end of the vlog. If you got to this point, you are my real G. Thank you so much for your support every day. I love you so much. I appreciate you. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.